So you got my little mini pins. Is my 10-month-old puppy I got from my brother. And Daisy I rescued about 10 years ago. And Daisy is 22 years old. And she has taken in all my animals that I've brought indoors. She's such a cool cat. Everybody loves Daisy. Daisy can't get enough love. Daisy's in love with love. No matter how hard she tries, she wants them to reciprocate. And the dogs just love to be licked by Daisy. Poor girl. She's 22 and she's blind in one eye. But she's enjoying her life. She's enjoying all the animals I have indoors. Daisy wouldn't hurt a fly. I even had my birds out. My mother, when she passed away, us kids took all of her animals. I got her 2 cockatiels. My God, that was 2003.